Hello friends, let us take one more topic in solving the system of linear equations, and that method is known as Gauss-Jordan method. So we begin the Gauss-Jordan method. So now in this method, what we are given a system of linear equation. So that system is in this form, Ax equal to b. So form the augmented matrix, and from that this matrix convert to reduced row echelon form. And solve the system. Okay, so this is very simple way. In Gauss elimination method, we convert that augmented matrix into the echelon form, row echelon form. So let us begin some examples. So solve by using Gauss-Jordan method. So we need to solve the system by using Gauss-Jordan method. So the system is like this: x plus 2y plus z minus w equal to minus 2. Then 2x plus 3y minus z plus 2w equal to 7. Then x plus y plus 3z minus 2w equal to minus 6, and x plus y plus z plus w equal to 2. So let us solve this. So the augmented matrix is, so that's easy to form now from the equation. So this is 1 2 1 minus 1 and minus 2 from the first equation. 1 2 1 2 1 minus 1 minus 2. Then 2 3 minus 1 2 and 7. Then 1 1 3 minus 2 minus 6. 1 1 1 1 and 2. Okay, now this is a leading one, so we need to make all the entry below to it to be 0. So let us apply R2 minus 2R1, then R3 minus R1, then R4 minus R1. Okay, and so now we are getting 1 2 1 minus 1 minus 2 first row. Now here we multiply with minus 2 to the first row and add here in the second row. So minus 2 plus 2, so that is 0. Now minus 2 multiply, so that will be minus 4, and plus 3, so that is minus 1. Then minus 2 multiply here, so minus 2 minus 1, it is minus 3. Then minus 2 multiply here, so 2 plus 2, that is 4. Then minus 2 multiply here, 4 plus 7, so that is 11. Then R3 minus R1, so just minus multiply minus 1 here and just this. So it's a subtraction of third and first row, so that is a 0. Then 1 minus 2, so that is minus 1. 3 minus 1, so that is 2, minus 2 minus minus plus 1, so that is minus 1, then minus 6 plus 2, so that is minus 4. Same way R4 minus R1, so just subtraction of R4 minus R1, so 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1, this one is 0, this is 1 plus 1, minus minus plus, so 1 plus 1, so that is 2, and 2 plus 2, this is 2 plus 2, and so that is nothing but 4. Okay, now here we have minus 1, this leading one is already there, so we can make this minus 1 to 1, and that is by R2 into minus 1. So now this is equal to 1 2 1 minus 1 minus 2 0 1 3 minus 4 minus 11, then 0 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 4 0 minus 1 0 2 and 4. So now we have this 1 as leading one. We need to convert this matrix into reduced row echelon form, so we need to make the entry below and above this leading one to be 0. So these two also should be made 0, and these two also made to be 0. So what are the operations? So the operations is in R1 we have R1 minus 2R2, then in R3 plus R2, and R4 is also R4 plus R2. Okay, and so now we are having, so R1 minus 2 R2, so multiply this with minus 2 and add here, so minus 2 multiply and add here, so that will be 1, this is 0. Now minus 2 multiply, so that is minus 6 plus 1 minus 5, then multiply minus 1 here, sorry minus 2 here, so that is 8 minus 1, and so that is nothing but 7. Then multiply with minus 2 here, so that is 22, and minus 2, so that is 20. R2 will not change, 0 1 3 minus 4 minus 11. Now R3 plus R2, so just add the second and third row, just add, so that will be 0 0, then 5, then minus 5, then minus 15. Okay, similarly R4 plus R2, so just add these two, so that is nothing but 0 0 3 minus 2, and just add here minus 7. Okay, now we make these to be 1, so now we do here, so R3 multiply 1 by 5. So we have now first row 1 0 minus 5 7 20, 0 minus 5 7 and 20. Second row 0 1 3 minus 4 minus 11, 0 1 3 minus 4 minus 11. Now third row 0 0 1 minus 1 and minus 3. So 0 0 1 minus 1 and minus 3, that we divide by 5 here. And last 0 0 3 minus 2 minus 7, 0 0 3 minus 2 minus 7. So now we are having this one as leading one. So we need to make the entry above and below to be 0. So the next process here is R1 plus phi R3, then R2 minus 3R3 and R4 minus 3R3. Okay, so then R1 is R1 plus phi R3, so multiply phi here, add here. Okay, phi here, add here, multiply phi here, add here. So that is 1 0 0. Now multiply phi here, so this is minus phi plus 7, so that is 2. Multiply phi here, so minus 15 plus 20, so that is 5. The next step is multiply with minus 3 here and add in the second. So that will be 0 1 0. Now multiply with minus 3, so this is 3 minus 4, and so that is minus 1. Multiply with minus 3, so 9 minus 11, and so that is minus 2. Third row will not change, 0 0 1 minus 1 minus 3. Fourth, R4 minus 3 R3, so this is 0 0 0. Now multiply with minus 3, so minus 3 into minus 1, so 3 minus 2, and so that is 1. Multiply with minus 3 here, so 9 minus 7, and so that is 2. Okay, so now next step is we have already reached the final step. Now this one is there, leading one, so make all the entry above to it to be 0. So R1 minus 2R4, R2 plus R4, and R3 plus R4. So now this will be, so we have to multiply with minus 2 here and add here. Okay, so that is nothing but 1 0 0 0, and multiply with minus 2 here, so minus 4 plus 5, and that is 1. Similarly R2 plus R4, so that will be 0 1 0 0, R2 plus R4, so 2 minus 2, so that is nothing but 0. Similarly R3 plus R4, so just add here, so that is 0 0 1 0 minus 1, and last row as it is 0 0 0 1 and 2. So now you can see that these are the leading ones. So this now converted into reduced row echelon form. And so from this matrix we can easily conclude the solution. Here the rank of AB is equal to 4 and rank of A is also 4, and 4 is the number of variables. So system has unique solution. And the variables are x, y, z and w. So the solution is, see from the first row you can see that x is 1, y is 0, z is -1, w is 2. So x equal to 1, y 0, z -1, w 2. You can verify even this value, you can plug in here in the equation. You can verify by having this into the equation here. Put all the values x, y, z, w in any equation, it will satisfy. So that's the answer. Okay. So let us take the next example. So solve by using Gauss-Jordan method. Solve by Gauss-Jordan method. The equations are x minus y plus 2z minus w is -1, 2x plus y minus 2z minus 2w is -2, minus x plus 2y minus 4z plus w equal to 1, 3x minus 3w equal to -3. Okay. So let us now solve by using Gauss-Jordan method. So the augmented matrix is, so this is 1, then -1, 2, -1 and -1. So that is from the first row. Okay. From second row we have 2, 1, -2, -2, -2. Then my third row -1, 2, -4, 1, 1. Then 3. Now there is no y and z, so this is 0, 0 and this is -3. And -3. Okay. Now we are having this 1. So by using this one, make the entry below this to be 0. And so that is R2 minus 2R1. Then R3 plus R1. R4 minus 3R1. Okay. And so this is 1, -1, 2, -1 and -1. Then now multiply with -2 here and add here. So this is 0. -2 multiply, so this is 2 plus 1, so that is 3. Then multiply with -2, so -4 minus 2, so that is -6. Then multiply with -2, so this is 2 minus 2, so that is 0. Multiply with -2, so that is 2 and -2, so that is also 0. Now R3 plus R1, so just we need to add first and third row, so that's not difficult. So this is 0, then 1, then minus 2, then 0, and then 0. Then similarly R4 minus 3R1. So R4 minus 3R1, so this is 0. Now minus 3 multiply, so minus 3 multiply, so that will be 3, and add with 0, so this is 3. Multiply with minus 3 here, so minus 6 plus 0, so minus 6. Multiply with minus 3, so this is 3 and minus 3, so that will be 0. Multiply with minus 3, so this is 3 and minus 3, so that is also 0. So this is first step. Now the next is we have options, either we can interchange the second and third row, or we can divide second row by 3. So let us divide second row by 3. So R2 into 1 by 3, and so we are having 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 1, then 0 1 minus 2 0 0 0 1 minus 2 0 0 0 3 minus 6 0 0. Okay. Now by using this one, make the entry above and below to be 0. So R1 plus R2, R3 minus R2, R4 minus 3R2, and so we can have now, so R1 plus R2, so R2 and R1 just add. Okay, so this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is minus 1, and this is minus 1. Okay. Next is 0 1 minus 2 0 0, and third one is, you can see that 0 0 0 0 0, next 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so now this is in reduced row echelon form. So this is in reduced row echelon form, and so here we can see that the leading ones are here and here. Now first let us see the rank of AB equal to rank of A equal to 2, because the rank of A is 2. These two are not there, these two are 0 rows. Okay, so there are two non-zero rows of even A as well as AB, and so rank same, but that is what, less than number of variables. Now there are 4 variables, X, Y, Z and W, but rank is 2, so we need to assume 2 variables arbitrarily. Okay, that is 4 minus 2. Two variables assume arbitrarily. Okay, now which are the 2 variables we need to assume? So that is also, so here there is no leading rows are only leading ones only in first and second column. Okay, so there is no leading ones in third and fourth column. That means we need to assume, say, third and fourth, so Z and W. So we need to assume this Z equal to some S, and we need to assume W equal to, say, T. Okay. Now what is the equation? Equation is from the first row. This is the first row. Equation is X Y Z W minus W equal to minus 1, and therefore X equal to T minus 1 because W is T. Second equation from second row, and that is nothing but Y minus 2Z equal to 0, and therefore Y equal to 2Z, so that is 2S, and therefore solution set is X, that is the T minus 1, Y, that is 2S, Z, S, W, T, and this S, T, any real number. So if I select any S and T, we will get 4 numbers here, quadruple, and if you use this quadruple in any of this equation, it will satisfy. Okay. So that is the solution by using the Gauss-Jordan method. Thank you.